Hello friends, myself Amar. Now in this video I will discuss about a remote command in prime faces. Now remote command is used to call the managed bean method by using JavaScript. Okay. Now here what I have done, I have created a project named as Ajax remote command having a index.xhtml page, and here I have created a bean named as remote command bean inside the Ripples code package, right? In the remote command bean, I have given the name as RCB, and here I have created the display method which is displaying the faces message as called using remote command, right? In the index.xhtml, what I have done, I have used the required prime faces and JSF tags. Inside the form tag, what I have done, I have used the remote command having the name as RC, and in the update attribute, I have written MSGS. In the action attribute, I have written rcb.display. This means this action attribute will call the display method of the managed bean. Here I have used the growl having the ID as MSGS. This means this remote command will update this growl actually. In the show detail attribute, I have written true. Okay. Then I have used the command button. In the command button, in the on click attribute, I have written RC1, and in the value I have written display. Okay. Now whenever this button will be clicked, then what will happen, it will call this RC1 function. This RC1 function is nothing but a JavaScript function actually, which I have created here inside the script tag. Inside the script tag, I have created this RC1 function, and this JavaScript function is actually calling RC. This means whenever this button will be clicked, this RC1 function will be called, and in turn it will call RC. This RC is nothing but the name of the remote command. This means whenever this RC will be called, it actually calls the action attribute. It will fire the action attribute of the remote command, and this action attribute, whenever it will be fired, it will call the display method of the managed bean. This means with the help of this remote command, we are actually calling the method of the managed bean by using JavaScript. Okay. Now let me show you. This is the display button. As you can see, the value is display. Now once I click here, then it is called using remote command, which has been displayed here. Okay, this is how we can use the remote command to call the JavaScript function. This is how we can use the remote command to call the managed bean function by using JavaScript. I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.